I'm Nini.
I'm Ivy.
I'm Angie.
And I'm Alicia. And today we're going to make a tortilla pizza.
So for this recipe, we will need flour tortillas, mozzarella cheese, red pepper, red onions, pasta sauce or pizza sauce, white button mushrooms, tomatoes, and Italian seasoning.
So now we're going to have Ivy cut some vegetables.
Gonna cut some things like red peppers, red onions, some mushrooms, and tomatoes.
Now she's gonna chop the onions. Don't cry, huh?
I never cry.
Do you know why I love these red onions? They taste great. They're sweet and better than normal onions, which they are bad. And they make you cry. These onions don't make you cry. This is why I love red onions and don't like and dislike normal onions. Boo normal! Great! Movie magic! Okay, so now we're gonna take our tortilla and put 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce or pasta sauce on the tortilla.
And make sure it's tomato sauce, not like a different sauce. Like lemon sauce. Or pesto sauce.
Pesto sauce is like the same sauce as tomato sauce.
Okay, then olive oil sauce. If there's such thing.
No, there isn't.
Olive sauce.
Olive oil is just.
Olive sauce.
So now we're gonna take our tortillas. They look delicious. No.
Oh no!
We need help. What type of help we need? I'll hold it. Okay, this is impossible, but I got it.
Yay! You're strong.
So we're gonna do 2 tablespoons on the tortilla.
Maybe 1 more tablespoon.
Okay.
Next, we will add the cheese.
Cheese! Hey, don't eat the cheese!
Taylor!
I never eat cheese.
What do you mean you find? I can't smell anything now, honestly. And don't forget to preheat the oven at 210 Celsius.
Red pepper,
Mushrooms.
onion, tomatoes. And don't forget the Italian seasoning.
No. Shake. No. Put some over here too. You put silver. Okay, over here. Now we're gonna put it in the oven and wait until it's golden brown or wait 12 minutes. Now that the pizza's done,
We can cut it and eat it. Hallelujah. It smells amazing. It smells amazing.
it's just making a turn. Flip it up like a pancake.
Thanks for watching. We cook!